In this video, let's find 1000 divided by 8 using the long division method. As 1 is less than 8, that is why we will consider the number 10. We know that 8 times 1 is equal to 8. Subtract, we get 2. Now see that this 2 is less than 8. That is why we will bring down this 0 here. And we know that 8 times 2 is equal to 16. Subtract, we get 4. Now again see that 4 is less than 8. That is why we will bring down this 0 here. And we know that 8 times 5 is equal to 40. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have no number to bring down here and we have got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 1000 divided by 8 is equal to 125. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.